my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, welcome. Come on in, okay? Today I am doing my Valentine's Tour edition for 2021. This will be the last video in this Valentine's edition. And I'm going to give you a Valentine's tour, and you're going to come along and help me decorate. Okay, guys, so if you're new here, welcome, welcome. And if you want to help me decorate, just keep on watching.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna
guys, I'm all finished decorating. Now I'm going to just take you around the room and let you see everything that's put together. Okay, love, so I have finished decorating for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to take you around the room now and let you see everything that we have done. I'm not going to explain where everything came from because if you've seen my home tours before, my living room tours, you already know that I usually keep my same decor up. Only thing I did was just change out a couple things and added a couple things for Valentine's Day. Right here is a DIY. It's a candy centerpiece flower box. And I do have a video on that. And I will make sure that I leave everything down in my description box if you want to know where any of these things came from. This is the same decor up here. My DIY Chanel mirror. And this is the same. And I added some DIY candles. I showed this in my tablescape. I just added those on the DIY sconces, just to give a little Valentine's feel to the room. And here I have this red sequence pillow. It's got that online, and these pillow covers as well. These came in a set of 4. Let me show you the other ones. I thought they were so pretty. I don't buy pillows anymore. I try to get pillow covers because I have absolutely nowhere to store pillows. So I just buy the pillow covers now. This is the 3rd one. And show you this 4th one. This is the 4th one. I think they are super cute. This is actually my first time buying pillow covers for Valentine's Day. So I'm very excited about that. And we have my little doggy here that my daughter got me, I think about 2 years ago. And it says moi. And over here, the cushions are the same. I have my blank pillows. Now I'm going to move back, and I always forget to show the ottoman. So I'm going to show you guys the ottoman before I forget it. As you know, I just did a video on these DIY centerpieces. And I love to use my DIYs in my videos, so when I'm decorating, so I am displaying them here. Because like I said, it's so hard for me to find room to put all my DIYs, so I end up using them in my decor. And right here, I just have this red throw, and it's from online as well. Over here, we did the little table over here. And I have my Bath and Body Works candle. And it's sitting on a DIY stand that I made. And right here, this is a DIY as well. And I just added a little bow that I made up and put on top. And this is a DIY mirror coaster. And I have my little warmer here that my daughter gave me, and it's a Valentine's Day warmer, and you put a little tea light inside there. And this is just my diffuser here. I put my essential oils in, and right here I just added some Dollar Tree roses and also the little white picks I already had in there. And swinging on around to my bookshelf over here. Everything's the same up there. This is a DIY. The candle inside, and guys, I'm going to light it up real quick and show you how it looks. I just wrapped the candle in, there we go. I just wrapped the candle in some ribbon, with the Dollar Tree ribbon, and I put a bow on top. I think that's super duper cute. All of this is the same. Right here I added some red roses in with the white ones, and I added a bow. And there are my lights down there. And this is the fireplace. I don't want to show you too much of it because it's a work in progress. Me and my hubby are doing this project, or he's supposed to be helping me do it. We haven't finished it yet, so I'm not going to show you too much of my bling fireplace. But on top here, this was a DIY. I added some red flowers from the Dollar Tree in there. And this I already had from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. And I just put some incense sticks in there. Already had these. This is a DIY. It's sitting on a Dollar Tree gold tray. I glittered the balls and put on there. This is my XOXO from the Dollar Tree, which I glittered with red glitter. And this is the other candle DIY centerpiece. I'll let you see it step back some. Give you a little peek at the fireplace. It's coming along nicely though. And I'm going to turn the light over to this side, guys. Hold up. There we go. Too much light. Okay, I just added some decor right here for Valentine's Day. I added the bow from the Dollar Tree, the ribbon, and I DIY'd the candle inside as well. This was already there, so was that. And I just added some little picks in there and ribbon in there. Okay, moving to this side, I have a whole bunch of picks in here, and they're mostly from Christmas, but I like to use the picks all year round. So I made this little arrangement up. And over here, I have the same thing that I've always had up here, except for I just added some glittered red candles. Swing it on around to the bar. I have my little mirrored coaster box. I use this to put my coasters in and change, and as you can see, lottery tickets, some of everything in there. And this is the same. Everything up here is the same except for this. Let me turn it back on. Guys, I just ordered this a couple days ago. I am so obsessed with this water fountain. I had another one up here and had it up here for years, but it wasn't fitting my decor anymore, so I decided to just go and order another one. And this is my water fountain that I ordered online. And it has the dancing ballerina on top, which I think is so cute. Now guys, this is what they usually use in a wedding, under a cake display, but you can also use it as decor for your home if you would like, and that's exactly what I'm doing because I love it so much. I love the look of it. I love the running water. And I always keep running water by my door. It's a feng shui thing that I've always done for years. It's supposed to bring good luck, good fortune coming into your home. I'm so obsessed with it. It lights up, as you can see. And right here, I just added a little towel and put a little Dollar Tree trinket box here on top with the candy inside. And over here I have my little pink champagne. And I added some Dollar Tree Valentine's napkins that I already had. Everything else is basically the same on here, guys. So I want to take the opportunity to, the curtains. I just ordered these online as well. There's the curtains. And down here is a lantern. I always keep that there. So let me take the opportunity to welcome you here again. And if you are new here, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a family member of the Diva family. And to my already subscribers, guys, I love you to the moon and back. Thank you so much for tuning in for the living room tour video. And I thank you guys for all of your support. Guys, that's going to be it for the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.